My life is filled with this. Today in this field, raindrops look like pearls. Every drop is blissful. My life is Mother Earth. We are her children. Mother Earth endures hardships, gives food. The companionship of birds, the company of the wise. The farmer toils in the fields from morning till night. Our mother land, the black soil, gives us pearl-like sorghum. Where there is greenery, that's our bond. With plowing, tilling, we sweat together. Working hard, he sings songs of happiness. Happy days are coming. Hard work bears fruit. Scientific bond gives it to us. Hey soil, you are my gold. Here is a brand new gift for you. Padcorp, the engine of new progress. Padcorp's double bull battery pump. Reusable stuff and reusable tank capacity 18 liters. Unique nozzle design. Two powerful motors and 6 LPM power.
Padcorp, ಶ್ರೀಮಂತ ರೈತ ತರು ಸಮೃದ್ಧ ಭಾರತ.